Hello! I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my nails at home using only Amazon products. So I start by buffing my nails, and I've been obsessed with this brand called Modelones that I found on Amazon. I was doing like polygel, and I bought this kit from Amazon. And I actually really like their products because they're cheap and they get the job done. So this is me buffing my nails. I'm also taking off some of my cuticles. This is where you want to like prime your nails, either use a primer or a dehydrator. But I like to do my nails like every single week, and I wanted them to be kind of easy to take off if I wanted to. They still last without all that other stuff, but yeah, so I'm basically just using the base coat, the Modelones base coat. I'm doing a pretty generous layer, and then I'm getting these like Gel X nail tips that I also got from Amazon. And I'm basically just pressing them on and using my UV lamp. You see a lot of people have like flash UV lamps, but I'm not that fancy and I don't have that, so I kind of like struggle to put it under the lamp, but it works for me. I kind of like flash cure them a little bit while I can reach, and then I just cure them in the light for the rest of the time. And then I'm cutting my nail tips to my preferred length. I also got this nail clipper from Modelones on Amazon. It all came in like a little kit. I'll put the kit in the description for it all. And I want to do like a round shape, like an almond. So I'm cutting off like the corner so it's easier to file. So then I just file down my nails to my almond shape. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, when I did my other hand, I accidentally cut them a little too short compared to this hand. So off camera, I kind of just filed them down a little more. This nail file is also from Modelones in that kit that I got. It's actually a nice kit. It came with like a bunch of gel polish and there are like so many colors. I use them all the time. So yeah, you can see my nails are much shorter now because I've ruined my other hand. Anyways, I'm going in with the nail buffer again, buffing off all the shine on my nails. This is so that the gel polish will stick to the nail tips, because there's a chance that the gel will flake off, but I haven't had that issue. I buffed my nail tips so the polish stays on. And then I have this little brush away all the dust. So this is a new gel polish I got from Amazon. It was supposed to be more gold, but it's kind of like a nude gold. And either way, I really like it. It came with a magnet already. One of the nail polishes I bought didn't come with a magnet, and I had this like cat magnet on my fridge, and I was using that, and it worked. But this one came with a magnet, so you won't have to buy a separate magnet. So I go in with one magnet on one side of the nail, and you'll see like the line go to each side, and then I'll go to like the top and wait for like all of the nail to be covered. And I'm doing that with the rest of my hand. I did go in with 2 coats of this polish. I am aware that you can like see my natural nail through the nail tips because this polish is a little thin. But I do add a chrome later on, and it ends up like covering it, I promise. Also, I did do a second coat, so it does help a little with the opacity. But yeah, I'm just going in and doing the rest of my nails with the magnet. so cute. And then when I cure my nails, I usually do for 90 seconds. This is my Modelones or Model Ones little UV lamp. So now I'm going in with the top coat. You guessed it, Model Ones top coat. I've used this one top coat before. I don't know which one it was, but like after you cure it, it leaves this like sticky residue, and you like wipe it off with rubbing alcohol. But this top coat, you don't have to do that. It just automatically, like once it's dry in the UV lamp, it's already ready to go. You don't have to do all that rubbing to get all that sticky off. So this is the chrome powder I've been using. I am obsessed with it. I've been using it every single time I paint my nails. I even bought like a whole new set of chrome powders, like all these different colors. I also put those links down. They're just so cute. But here's the key, guys. To do a chrome powder and to make it look smooth, you have to do it over a top coat, like a no wipe top coat. Remember how I was talking about like that one top coat I was using that left the sticky residue? It's not going to work on something like that, or even just a regular nail polish. Like, you need to have a non-stick top coat for it to like actually look smooth. So now I'm brushing away some of the extra sparkles that gets left on the nail. I did do another round of top coat. Top coat is just going to help seal the powder so that you can wash your hands and get all the rest of the chrome powder out of your cuticles. But yeah, I've been obsessed. I did all my sister's nails, my mom's nails with the chrome powders. I lowered my resolution, is that what it's called? My exposure, so you can see the chrome. It's kind of hard to see the like magnetic polish on camera. Like in the sun and good light, you can see like the magnetic underneath. Peep Lords, but I didn't mean for that to happen. And my portrait of Sabrina Carpenter. I love it. I'm gonna do another portrait soon. Keep tuned. Oh, and my tiny cat. Alright, bye guys. Thank you for watching.